Let's make some zucchini and roasted corn orzo from the Blue Mountains, Ontario, Canada. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we're going to make this delicious zucchini and roasted corn orzo. Comforting but also light, because it's the end of summer. It's still a little bit hot out, but you still want something comforting, right? So I'm preheating my skillet here. And all of our pantry ingredients today are from our partner Essential Organics, who carry over 600 organic products. And if you want to check them out, you can use the code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout for 10% off your order. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, you need one medium zucchini, and I cut it in half lengthwise, and then I just cut it into halves. We're going to get that right in the pan. And what we're doing, we're just going to try to sear both sides of the zucchini and get our corn roasted a bit. And this is a great one if you already have some corn on the cob in the refrigerator from leftovers. You can use that, or you can just use, I just cut it off the cob, and then we're gonna roast it in the pan just to get a little bit of that charriness on there. So I'm gonna throw that in with the zucchini. And then when this is just about done, we're gonna throw in 2 minced garlic cloves. But that's going to be right towards the end. And we're just going to kind of dry fry this because we want it to be seared a bit. But if it starts sticking too bad, you can always use just a little bit of vegetable broth or water just to sprinkle on your pan, just to kind of deglaze it a little bit. All right, I'm going to keep this cooking and I'll show you when we're ready. Okay, we're to the point where our zucchini and corn is about done. If you want to come in and take a look, this is about what you want it to look like. The zucchini shouldn't be cooked completely through yet, because the next step, it's going to cook just a little bit more when it's in the sauce. So I'm going to grab my ingredients to make the sauce that's going to go in this delicious thing. And while this is cooking, you want to pre-cook your orzo and do it al dente. You don't want it fully cooked because, like I said, that's going in the sauce and it's going to cook for a little bit in that sauce and get completely done. All right, before we move on to our sauce, we just need to check in on our sprouts here. So this is our sprouting kit from the Sprouting Company. And this batch of broccoli sprouts is ready. And I just have to show you because it's so amazing. Because a 1/4 cup of the sprout seeds creates this huge mass of sprouts. Look at that. Look at how many sprouts. That will keep us busy for probably 2 or 3 days. And if you want to get yourself a kit just like this one, you can use the code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout for 10% off your order. For the sauce, we're going to use a 1/2 cup of firm tofu, the juice of 1 lemon, so it's about 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of cashews or almonds, they'll work too. Or if you're going nut-free, you can also use sunflower seeds. That would work great. You just need a whole food fat in there. A tablespoon of low-sodium tamari, and 1 cup of low-sodium vegetable broth. And we are just going to blend this together until the cashews are completely pulverized and this is really nice and silky. Okay, now we have our sauce. I'm going to grab our orzo and the pan of zucchini and corn, and I'm going to put it all together for you. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. All right, for the last step, you're going to put your pan back on the burner and you're going to add your sauce. You're going to add 1/4 cup of chopped fresh basil, the zest of that 1 lemon that we juiced, a generous amount of pepper, and you can always add more when you get your serving out, which is what I always do. And then you're gonna put in your al dente orzo that I already drained. And we're gonna cook this on medium heat until that sauce is thickened up and the zucchinis are completely cooked and that orzo is completely done. So it's between about 5 and 10 minutes and then you're done. And if you're enjoying the show and our recipes and want to help us make plant-based cooking easy, follow the link in the description and become a supporting member today. So I'm going to finish cooking this up and I'll show you when it's finished. All right, we are done. If you want to come in for a closer look, now all that's left is to try it out. So I'm going to grab a bowl and a spoon and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. Okay, let's go in for a taste. This smells so good. And like I said, I'm going to put a little bit extra pepper on mine because I always like a little bit more pepper. Let's go in. That is so silky. And you get some of the lemon and the creaminess of that sauce, and then you get the little crunch from the corn. So good. You are gonna love it. Come on back next week for another great recipe.